Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Gustina Apriani. I come from class 12 science 1. I would like to explain how to use washing machine. The materials: a unit of washing machine, detergent and water. The first, spread your clothes into 3 categories: white, bright color, and dark. Second, read the label to make sure nothing is dry clean only or hand wash only. Third, read the label on the detergent to put the correct measure into the machine. 4. Add the water and wet tutup until for enough. Next, cause regular speed for most clothing. Turn on the washing machine and allow it to run until finished. Put the wet clothes into the spin compartment washing machine. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.